Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 8 of 12 days of press-ons. Be sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys can keep up with all my uploads. Here's everything that I use for this set. So with that being said, let's get right on into it. So to start off the set, I'm going to be going in with my Beatles base coat. These nails are extra long tapered square. They're very sturdy, and I do offer this shape on my website. So if you guys are interested, then go over and check out my website. I'll have it linked down below and then also put on the screen. So today's set is going to be red, just like my day 2 set. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go back and watch it for sure. Like I said, it's a whole series, so be sure that you're all caught up so you guys can watch the entire thing through. It's really fun to watch. I feel like I've had a lot of fun doing this, and I'll definitely try to do it next year. I'll just be a little bit more prepared. A lot of times when I do these videos, I'm referencing some kind of inspo pic. There's so many different nail inspirations on Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok even. This also just helps me enhance my skill set and allow me to practice different styles so that when people ask for them in the future, whether they want a custom set or if I want to offer something specifically on my site, I'll have the practice already and I'll be able to do it. For this nail, I'm doing just a very simple marble nail, and I like this a lot because you just let the blooming gel do most of the work. Obviously here you see me kind of overworking the polish. I just didn't feel like waiting for it to spread, but in most cases, if you just let it spread and kind of just do minimal work with your brush, it'll get the job done. With this being video number 8, I'm almost finished, and I'm having a little bit of trouble coming up with new ideas without repeating the same ideas too much. If you guys will go ahead and leave me a comment down below as to what you guys want to see, I would greatly appreciate it because I'd love to practice some new sets and different designs. So if you guys have ideas, just let me know. So for this sweater nail, I went ahead and added a top coat just so that I'm able to pour on the acrylic powder for this design. I guess technically you could also use an alcohol swab and wipe off the tacky layer so that you're able to make sure that that acrylic doesn't stick. But this method works very well for me, so I like doing it this way. I feel like another reason that I like this 12 days of press on series is because as I'm getting older, I just don't feel as excited about the holiday season anymore. Although I still hang out with my family and we still get to, commune and just be together, I feel like the feel of Christmas just doesn't hit the same. So is it just me? Like, does anyone else feel that way? Or are we still like, kind of feeling the festivities, because right now I'm not feeling it so much. So this is kind of helping me get into the spirit.
On your tongue. It's fun. Eat sugar. It's too early. Hey, Arnold, it's almost 2. The snow's starting to melt. Well, there's work to do, Gerald. I can't go. Come on. You've been working all day. Give it a rest.
But this is my final result. I feel like it turned out very cute. My only thing that I would change is that for the pinky nail, instead of doing glitter, I may just do acrylic powder instead. But that's all for today, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for sure for day 9. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so that you guys will be notified when new uploads go up. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.